physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course,
Bob and Brad. Today we're going to talk about joyful joints. We're going to try to make your joints happy. So if you have a grumpy knee, that's a knee joint we're going to talk about today.
Right.
And with joints, you want to do three things. One, you want to make sure they're in a good position.
That's right.
Not in a bad position. Two, you want to make sure they're moving because joints like movement. They don't like to be still. And three, you want to make sure they have full range. If they're tight, you want to stretch them out.
Right. And we've got two exercises that is going to cover all this, and we're going to talk a little bit more about it as well. And you'll learn.
But the first thing is, you don't want to sit. If you're sitting all day long, you don't want to sit with the knee bent more than 90 degrees for long periods of time. So this is 90, yeah, you show, Brad.
Yeah, so here's 90 degrees. We
Right
don't want
angle.
to. Yep, don't tuck it in under here and just maintain that position.
It's compressing the knee the whole time.
Yep.
So
it affects your circulation to your, the calf and the leg too.
So in addition to that, the thing you want to do if you want a healthy knee and you're sitting a lot is to go ahead and do 10 knee extensions.
That's right. So we're going to
every half hour.
Kick out and come back down. We're not flipping it around. It's meaningful. Stretch, get the hamstring to stretch, come back down. Bob, I got my shoelaces untied too. I can't believe it. So 10 times on each leg. If you're in a hurry, 5 is a lot better than none at all. And then you also want to bring and flex the knee because movement, like Bob said, is healthy for the joint.
And stretch.
And, if you're able to do this, you can bring the knee up and bringing that in. You might find that one knee does not go as far as the other one. Stretch that one a little bit more. These should not be painful, all feeling good stretches.
There we go. Take the grumpiness out of your knee.
That's right.
All right. Make it joyful.
That's right. Enjoy the day.
Thanks.